Beep boop bop, it's Becca and welcome back to Baking with Becca. It's been a while, long time no see, and happy spring. We're gonna celebrate with a nice lemony dessert. We're gonna make some lemon crinkle cookies with these gorgeous lemons. Just kidding, these are fake. They've been sitting on our windowsill for probably 15 years. So we're gonna use them as a prop and we're gonna use some lemon juice from a bottle. So let's get started. So here are all of our ingredients for our cookies. We'll start over here. We have a 1/4 cup of margarine, 3/4 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1½ cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a lime.
For our lemon cookies.
Yummy. We're gonna start by creaming together our margarine and our sugar. So I just put this in the microwave for like 10 seconds. It melted a little bit too much, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna use an electric mixer to mix everything together to get it nice and fluffy. So this is just our margarine and our sugar to start off. Next, we're going to mix our egg substitute. This is also going to help it to get fluffy. So this is our 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We make a volcano. And add that in. We're also going to add our salt. There we go. And our vanilla, adding some flavor. And mix that up. And time for our lime. Like I said before, we don't have a lemon, so we're using lime zest instead of lemon zest. It's gonna do the same thing. Even prettier, because now it'll be yellow and green, and lemon lime. It's great. So just zest one. It already smells good. Lime is naked. Our zest is in here. Kind of looks like some little grass shreddings. If you do have a lemon, you could also use a lemon for this. And just mix this in. And now just all the rest of our ingredients. So our lemon juice, our flour, and baking soda and baking powder. And mix that up until it's completely combined. And it is a little dry, so we're gonna add some rice milk until it's the right, the right consistency.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Ooh, lemon limey. All right, this looks like the right consistency. And now we are going to put this in the refrigerator for 1 hour. And here we go, ready to make these cookies. So we have our dough. It's been resting in the fridge for about an hour. We also added a little bit of yellow food coloring just to, you know, bring out that lemon flavor in your head. So we're gonna take little balls of dough, about this big, really just however big you want your cookies to be. Roll it into a ball, and then we're going to roll it in the sugar. First, you're gonna do your normal granulated sugar, get it completely coated. And then you're going to put it in your powdered sugar. Putting it in the other sugar first helps the powdered sugar to stick to it. And then you put that on your cookie sheet. Okay, so you're going to fill up this whole thing. Make sure that the oven is preheating to 350 degrees. And then when they're baking, the sugar is going to crack as the cookies expand. These gorgeous dough balls are now going to go into the oven for about 12 minutes. You can tell because they're gonna start to crack. Maybe you'll see a little bit of golden on the bottom. So here we go. Our cookies are done. They turned out so cute. The kitchen smells amazing. Once they came out of the oven, we let them sit on the tray for like 1 minute just to let them set. Take them off, and now they've cooled for a little bit. They're still a little warm though, so come get a nice close look. I think the crackle look looks so good. So let's try one. That's the real test. Oh, nice golden on the bottom. Whoa. That lemon flavor is so good. It's like a pop. These are really good. You guys should try these. They're so refreshing. They're sweet with a little bit of tang. I think they're perfect for spring. If you give them a try, let me know in the comments how it went for you, or try out another recipe. Make sure that you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and let me know if you have any suggestions for any future videos that you want me to make. Thanks, bye.